Hi, I'm Tom Hollingsworth. We're here at ONUG with Tech Field Day, and I'm talking to Ernest Lefner. Ernest, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hi, I'm obviously Ernest Lefner, and I'm the co-founder and co-chairman of the Open Network User Group, and we're happy to be here in downtown New York hosting our fall event.
Awesome. Now, you were an IT executive when you co-founded ONUG with Nick Lippis late last year, early this year. What need did you see in the industry for an event like this?
That's a great question. Last spring, Nick and I met at the Open Network Foundation Summit, and we were talking about all the great technology that was happening. We were looking for opportunities on how we could best utilize this technology, as we felt that this was really kind of the future of where network was going, and it had a gigantic momentum. And one of the things we felt was missing was there was no interaction with the user group. And we had a lot of great vendors, a lot of great open technology, we had a lot of great thought going on, but they weren't talking about how to translate that into a usable technology. And if you look back across, sort of the history of networking, adoption of new technology has constantly been an issue, right? You've got all various technology that some companies would enjoy, some companies would not enjoy, and ultimately we were hoping through the Open Network User Group to found a user-based organization that allowed us to leapfrog that sort of strata and drive it into a collective usability. The ultimate goal was to bring some of the biggest and brightest users and intellectuals in the space together and collectively join our forces so that we could leapfrog the industry and push SDN further and faster than if we were left alone.
Very good. Now, I heard that there are quite a few attendees at the fall 2013 ONUG compared to the one that was held in February of this year. How have you seen this grow from your initial ideas, and where do you see it going next year and further on?
Well, I'll tell you, I think the greatest thing that's happened is that we've accelerated the marketplace. When you get together a group of people that have common interests and very, very smart ideas, then you can end up pushing that. And I think the big difference between what happened in the spring and the fall is you're seeing an acceleration of that pace. There's been a lot of great work in the industry over the last, I'd say, 8 months, and people want to get together and talk about it. They want to share their experiences, they want to share what they're doing together, and they want to find out how they can leverage each other's work to get to the next level, right?
Very, very good. Well, Ernest, I know you're a busy man and you've got lots of duties here at the Fall ONUG Conference, so I want to thank you for taking the time.
Thank you very much.
And look forward for more videos from Tech Field Day at ONUG.
If you'd like to be involved, please go to opennetworkingusergroup.com. Please bring your ideas, join the community, and we'll be hosting events in the spring and fall of next year.